It was right here when I knew when. Well, you'll see.
How did you?
So it's your girl Jada Simone back with it, you feel me? And if you can't tell already, we back in the cabins with it. But this time it's a family vacation, so a little bit more wholesome. No, I'm just kidding. I was ducked off in the wilderness somewhere right where I wanted to be. So if you want to see what me and my family was able to get into in the woods, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out more videos.
Yeah, I know I have more than 3 rooms. If this, I'm getting this room. If this not the master bedroom, I'm getting this room. Kind of want a tub. It probably is. And we gonna be out there on bunk beds. Yeah, you probably sleep in a bunk bed.
I sleep in this
Once. We finally made it. I am sick, but I'd rather be sick in the cabins. Let's go downstairs. Then be sick at work. You feeling me? That's a little bar. It is chilly. Is there another bedroom down here? It's just a game room. There's a bathroom down here. Is there a bedroom? Okay. Shot glass me up. Shot me up, period. Whose room is this? This is my room.
Is your room?
Yep. This is my room, period. Period, period, period. Oh, I got a balcony and everything. Yeah. Yeah. Here, I'll show the kitchen. Nice little cute, quaint kitchen. This is nice. This is real nice. Like real nice. It's a grill out here. We good. So this is my bathroom. I think I got the master bathroom. But they wanted the bedroom downstairs, so that ain't none of my business, okay? Okay. Here's my toilets, period. I'm gonna do some makeup over here. And I'm gonna do some makeup over there. And then we get a bathtub. Not after I do my makeup though. And then my shower. Split. And I got a balcony. Period. I got a balcony. We got a balcony. I got a balcony. They make sure they sure. I really don't want to ask them are they sure because they might try to take it back from me. But Matt, are you sure? You sure? Oh, don't worry about it. I ain't forget. This is really nice. Like this porch. That's so nice. Rocking chairs. It's a whole game room. I love the outside. You know, I love the outside. And of course, a jacuzzi. A jacuzzi. A jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. I'm lit. It's lit. It's a lit. But yeah, we got in at 12 a.m. It's midnight. So we're gonna hit the haystack. You will see me in the morning. It's morning time. I had a wild night last night. I thought I ruptured my eardrum, blowing my nose. And I know y'all can hear this stuffiness in my face, my mouth, and my voice. Goodness. Yeah, I'm just sitting out here playing games on my phone. Oh, I'm glad I didn't have no bloopers, because that would have been cute. But let me show y'all this view. Hold on. Okay. Like, look at that. I would definitely want to go walking. I think that's a trail over there. I think that's a trail. Think.
Hit that and just roll home.
You're gonna be real hurt if you fall from up there. It's people be walking through here because that's why it's the only spot that ain't got as much greenery. See, this is a trail. Go ahead.
Probably. You know him, man. I just woke up.
Yeah, definitely gonna have to come back out here with pants on. Yeah, this is definitely a trail, cause look.
I feel like
I think you can walk down in there. I mean, it probably is not a big trail, but you can definitely walk through it. Where is it? Where's the ball?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
What is it doing?
Nothing. Yeah. Finna work out outside because I haven't worked out in over a week. So I'm about to take this time to cabins to get back on my workout. And I know how aesthetically you would love for me to have on a wig, but I'm not working out in my wig. I love this app called FitOn. This is not sponsored, so I'm not gonna go too much into it, but I've been using it for over a year. I got it during quarantine when it was $20, so I got the premium. I pay $20 a year. First, I always stretch. These are all the categories that they have, and you can do it based on what you're trying to work out, intensity and time. So I'm gonna stretch. First, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna warm up. So I'm going to filter it by warm up. So we're just gonna do full body stretch since we're doing the full body. I decided I'm gonna do the ultimate sculpt by Caroline Pierce, which is one of my favorite trainers. Take them around and tricep extension. Good little workout. Ooh. So we're almost cute. We're doing self-care, which is my working out, and I just took a shower to do my skincare. So normally I do not like doing clay masks, but we're just going to do it today. But I love sheet masks, and I talk about that in my clearing acne scars videos, or maybe it's on this side. I don't know. I'm gonna learn how to make guacamole for the first time, you know, period. I had to be cute for that. So
Now we're gonna make some guacamole. I honestly went too fast, so I'm just gonna list all the ingredients in the description box below and what kind of pepper these are, because I'm gonna have to ask my mom. I do not remember, but you will only use 1/3 of them. That is something I do remember. All right, but I have onions, cilantro, tomatoes is what we're gonna cut up along with the peppers. So let's get into it. I saw this method of cutting cilantro and I honestly just wanted to try it out to see if it worked, and it did. I just think the issue was the cilantro was too wet, which you just saw me dry off. So yeah, it was mine and my brother's job to cook dinner that night, so you'll see me cut to his taco meat a few times. That's what he was in charge of. So normally you would roll the avocados just to like soften them up a little bit so you can scoop out the inside, but those were already pretty soft, so that kind of hurt me, not helped me. And my parents, they bought this little tool while I went to the store. I think because the avocados were so soft, it didn't actually help, but it did help me slice it. But as far as using that hole to like scoop that out, the pit out, yeah, that was not doing nothing for me. But you could just use a spoon like you would any other time. And I do not have any measurements for the onions, the peppers, the cilantro, tomatoes, and even avocados or the seasonings. We let our ancestors lead us over here, okay, honey? But you would just season it to taste. And if it tastes like you want it to taste, then you're good. And yes, we're gonna use regular salt and seasoned salt. I don't know what it does. It does something to it because the taste was just... But make sure that you do not oversalt your food because that's not good. The lime will help combat it a little bit, but not enough if you oversalt it. So just don't do that. And yeah, if you still eat your nachos on regular tortilla chips instead of Doritos, you sleep and you need to wake up. So here you go. This some free tea, free game. Yeah, bon appetit. That don't count, bro. Okay, that don't count.
You get one in there?
Yeah. I'll take it. Yeah.
They think we're gonna go out there and get 8 or 9 bigger.
Basically, that's what they think is gonna happen.
Finally. had like boo boo. Had that gas, just like boo boo. That's how it was.
Oh, I come back to weird for real.
I'm trying for real.
It was a good game, wasn't it not?
That was a game.
We are nature kids. We love walk outside in nature to see what we going with this skull. Ooh, I almost fell. Okay, in here, a dead body. Oh Lord. Period. Yes. In front because Jordan has arachnophobia. So we in a clearing. You want this? Is that too big? That's it. You sure?
What his name is? Who walked across the ocean?
Moses.
He'll probably do like this.
Look what we found. I'm so sweaty. Oh, we made it. That's so nice. I'm glad we actually made it here. So tomorrow we know where it's at and then we can just walk along it. Good morning, beautiful people. One thing I wanted to do when I came to the cabins is make sure that I took a spiritual bath. So I just feel like when you're out in nature and stuff, you just need to, I don't know, it just makes me want to clean myself spiritually, for lack of better words anyways. And so I've been meaning to do one because I haven't done one in a while. And so I'm doing a cord cutting bath. I'm not going to go into detail about why I feel like I need to do one. Here we are. So we're just going to show you what I'm going to be using and how I'm making my spiritual bath. So let's go. Feels so good. That was much needed. So I mentioned just a second ago how I felt like my body was doing a natural detox. Baby, let me tell y'all what I've been doped up off on since I got here. Because, well, y'all finna see because I'm finna take everything. First, we're gonna chug this water so we can take our airborne. If you don't know, now you know. Especially if you feel something coming on, go ahead and get you some of these. Take one in the morning, one at night. I be needing a chaser with this mucinex. That's why we're gonna play this last. And just to show y'all, but I'm not gonna take one now because I'm finna eat. Ricotta. About one of those a couple nights ago, and I thought I had ruptured my eardrum. Cause my ear popped, or it didn't pop, it clogged, and it would not unclog, it would not pop. Oh my God, I knew it would go insane. It was like, oh. Ah. That's because of the little carbonation. Just that pharmacy tech pour, bruh. Why, it's gonna be perfect right on the meniscus. That pharmacy tech pour. This is so nasty, and it's like blue and gross. This right here, the goat. Okay, we're done. We're gonna stop recording. Day 2, we made it back to the creek. We're on this trail. We're gonna follow the flow of water, see where it takes us. It's hot, sweaty.
But it's like broken apart. What happened to the turtle?
Might have died. So y'all, this is super muddy. He's already fell once. I managed to make it up here, but he had to push my butt. You gotta make your stance wider. You're not gonna be able to like.
Run up there, you ready? You might have to grab my hand.
Okay.
Stick your branch out. You'll stick out.
Don't put your feet in the same spot that's already slid.
Damn, fool.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Usually when the water's just clear, I don't think it has like any contaminants in it. I think we should be able to walk to the end of that and cross. I think we can jump over that. All right, we should be able to jump from here to there. We might have to do a little bit of a running start.
That's quick food. It's not quick food, but this is something.
All right. Okay, good job.
Oh shit. How did you?
Did your foot get wet? Oh my gosh. Oh.
Hey, I don't know. It's clean, but it still got like stuff in it. Like, ew, you might.
Minerals. Not vitamins and minerals. How can we get from here to that rock over there?
What if I just take my shoes off? You gonna do that?
I mean, we climb under this tree and like look low to the, I guess, creek, low to the ground, low to the creek, and then cross over on this way. Isn't this so beautiful back here? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, y'all, so make fun of my wig, but this, I really feel like I'm really fulfilled from doing this. Like, I really feel like I can come out here, just sit out here, just like meditate, you know, like, too bad it's vacation, I don't live out here, but it's okay. It was definitely fulfilling to find this and discover it and come up here and like not know what we was going to find this. That was very, very, very fulfilling. Yeah, this uphill business, it ain't no joke. This ain't for the weak. We made it back, you guys. I had put 2 rocks by a tree over there. And there's my little red tie. Another uphill trek. We're almost to safety though. And to some food, man, cause I'm that hungry now. Anything you gotta say?
I'm ready to go eat some spaghetti. Dad sent me 15 minutes ago talking about where I ain't had no service.
All right, you made it to the end of the vlog. This is perfect, exactly what I needed to help me unwind and kick off this self-care summer. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check out more videos on my channel.